Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's see if we can see some trade opportunity today, and then we play the trade. And okay, I'm seeing something now. So since we are on 1 minute, okay, I need to reduce that to 120. It's too much for this trade. Okay, I want this. Oh. All right, I play this trade. You're going to win this trade. Yeah. So I will explain later after we have won this trade. So let's keep watching. All right, we have less than 10 seconds left. Okay. All right, we won this trade, and that's 43.50. Now let me explain why I placed this trade. So if you look at this candle, so the major focus here is this place. So there has been struggles between both sellers and the buyers. So you can see this hammer and inverted hammer. So now, after they finally decided, the seller decided to enter the market, and they were pulling the market so strong. Now, immediately this candle closed and this one opened. So I waited for the candle to move to where it opened, and I placed my trade because I was at least 90% sure that I was going to win the trade. Reason being that this candle was very strong. This is 1 minute candle, and you can see the pressure of the sellers in the market, and that's why I placed the trade on this candle. Immediately it opened, and it went back to where it opened. You understand? So as you can see, we want it. So let's go and look for another opportunity. If we can get I'm not seeing any. Okay, a trading opportunity in this one. I'm going to check other currency pairs. Euro. Okay, let's check this one. So I'm not seeing any trading opportunity yet. So let me open more AUD, Euro AUD. Okay, let me check this one as well. Oh, still not trading opportunity there. No trading opportunity. Okay. All right. This market, let me see. Hope there's no any resistance nearby. I want to wait first. Let me draw this. Okay. Draw this line here. And this one. This market, all right. I want you to open. I want you to come down a little bit. Okay. So let's how this trade goes. Okay. And I will explain thereafter. The trade amount is still $50. So let's watch the market. All right. Okay. All right. So let's keep watching. We have less than 2 seconds left. Okay, we won the trade, and now let me explain as well why I played the trade. You look at this line from here, this place, like this place was acting as resistance for these candles. So immediately this resistance level was broken, and let me close this trade. Let me close this one here. So now, if you look at this, the candle has broken the resistance level now, and I waited for when this candle opened. I waited for it to a little bit come down, because I know the candle will still the pressure from the buyer will still be very high. So, and I placed the trade there. You understand? So that is how I played the trade, and I think that the second trade I have placed, and I won the two. So let's go and check another currency pairs. Okay. Okay. No trading opportunity. Let me check more currency pair. Euro GBP. Okay. Can I get any trading opportunity here? Let me draw. We have a zone there. Sorry, resistance, support level there. Okay. So let's go and check. The trade is not clear there, so I can't say how the market is going to move there. So okay. So we're here the right time, and market is low here. So see the same thing. Okay. All right. Oh, I need to change because I don't want to risk much. So yeah, I want to input $40 instead of 50. So because the market condition is not what I. Okay. So this market might be coming toward this level. Okay, I want it to, if it goes back a little bit, I want it to come back to this level again, and I'll place the trade. If it doesn't, I'll leave it. So it doesn't, so I'm not placing the trade there. Okay. So this market is still going up. Okay. All right. So this one, no trading there. This level, I don't think we can wait for that, because it's going to take a long time. So if I should place trade around this place, I'll wait until all this, I'll wait until this level is crossed, like here, this zone, until the market the candle crosses any of this. I'm not seeing any trading opportunity there. You understand? So until this place, so see the market has been moving this, in this zone, and it is on predictable. So as it is now, there's no any trading opportunity. I'm not seeing any trading opportunity yet. So let's see if okay, so no trading opportunity there. So let's go and check. Okay, I want it to go up a little bit. Okay, all right, I played the trade there. So let's see how the trade goes, and I'll explain the after. So if you want it, if we lose it, I'll explain. So okay, so this so it's like I got it wrong this time around, so that's going to be a loss. Okay, no, it's one of those things. No. Alright, but as it is now, I am going to recover my I will recover my loss. It is normal to lose in trades, and but the thing is, I want to find a good trading opportunity, like a clear opportunity, so that I can I wait for. Okay, alright, I lost 40 the other time, so I'm going for $100 this time around. Sorry. If I see any trading opportunity. Oh, I forgot to explain why I lost the trades. So, waiting for an opportunity here. Okay, this is the zone I was talking about the other time. So okay, I'm waiting patiently because this trade. All right. Oof. Okay. So we need to recover our previous loss, and this trade is going to do that. Okay. Okay, we are still watching. All right, so we have less than 10 seconds left. Yeah, and this is $100 trade, and our profit is at 7. Don't forget we lost $40 the other time. So now we want the trade. Now let me explain why I placed the trade here. So now the overall market here is it has been a downtrend, which means sellers are much in the market, pushing the market downward. So, and here was a strong like it was acting as support when the market was around this place, and here it was acting as support at resistance level rather. So and contrary to the fact that this is sellers market, and I played the trade there. So when this candle hit this, though it was a bit late entry here, but I still won the trade. So that's it, and we won it. Let me change it back to 40. So let's see. I think we place four. Is it 4 trades? Or I think this is the 4th trade. We lost one out of 4. We lost one, and we won 3. All right. If I can see any trading opportunity, I don't think. All right, at this point, I think I need to end the video here. Thanks for watching this video. If you are yet to register your account, the registration link is on the video description below. And if you have not, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video, and share it to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.